Ever wonder what makes your favorite brunch items even more memorable? It's the way they're presented. Welcome to the art of creating the perfect brunch board. Picture this: warm, fluffy waffles, sharp cheddar cheese, crispy bacon, and a rainbow of fresh fruits and veggies. Don't forget the crunch of nuts and the sweet touch of fruit jam or honey. All these elements come together to form a feast not just for the stomach, but also for the eyes. Are you ready to dive into the world of brunch boards? Let's start by choosing our star player. The main star of our brunch board today will be waffles. You can choose any of your favorite brunch items as the star. Now, why do we choose a star? It not only creates a visual focal point, but also sets the tone for the rest of the board. The star of your board could be anything from a stack of fluffy pancakes to a decadent donut tower. But today, it's all about the waffles. Think of your board as a stage, and your star, our waffles, are taking center stage. You want to place them first right in the middle because they're the main event. The rest of the items on your board are supporting characters, there to enhance and complement your star. Arranging your board this way ensures that your star shines brightest, drawing everyone's attention. With our star in place, it's time to add some supporting players. Now that we have our star, it's time to arrange our favorite seasonal fruit and add a few pieces of cheese. As we paint our brunch board canvas, think of fruits and cheese as your vibrant colors, adding both aesthetic appeal and flavor diversity. Start by scattering your chosen fruits around the star item, like a halo of sweet and tangy delight. The key here is variety. Mix and match strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, pineapple, and watermelon. Their contrasting colors will make your board pop, while their different flavors will tickle the taste buds in all the right ways. Next, let's introduce cheese. Adding a few pieces of cheddar, or any other cheese of your choice, can introduce a creamy, savory contrast to the sweetness of the fruits. Strategically place the cheese around the board, balancing the placement of fruits and the star item. With our fruits and cheese in place, the brunch board is starting to take shape. But we're not done yet. Scene script. Next up, we're going to place our cured meats and add small bowls for any spreads, jams, or maple syrup. Imagine the thrill of discovering a hidden gem. That's what these cured meats are on our brunch board. We're talking crispy bacon, Genoa salami, prosciutto, and smoked salmon. We'll nestle these delicacies into the spaces left on our board, ensuring a savory surprise awaits at every turn. Now let's talk spreads. These are the unsung heroes of our brunch board. They add a whole new dimension of flavor and texture, creating a symphony of taste that will have your taste buds dancing. We're going to use small bowls to house our sweet and tangy fruit jams, rich honey, and creamy Greek yogurt. Strategically placed, they'll serve as delightful pit stops on this culinary journey we're creating. But we're not done yet. See those gaps between the stars of our show? We're going to fill them in with the unsung heroes of the snack world: nuts and extra fruit. Almonds, pecans, walnuts, pili nuts, macadamia nuts. They're not just fillers, they're texture titans. And let's not forget more fruit, because who can resist another burst of natural sweetness? Every component on our board plays its part in creating a harmonious feast for the eyes and the palate. It's about balancing flavors, textures, and colors to create something truly memorable. And there you have it, a visually stunning and incredibly delicious brunch board. But wait, we have one more final touch. To finish off, we're going to add some fresh herbs for color. These little green accents are not just about flavor, they're also about enhancing the visual appeal of your brunch board. Imagine vibrant sprigs of mint nestled between juicy strawberries, or a scattering of fresh basil leaves over your prosciutto. Selecting the right herbs isn't just about what's in your pantry, it's about considering the overall color and texture of your board. You want to create contrast, but also harmony. So if you've got a lot of reds and pinks from your fruits and meats, a pop of green can really make those colors stand out. Herbs like rosemary, thyme, and parsley are not only delicious, but they have a beautiful, rustic look that can give your board an extra touch of elegance. And there you have it. Your perfect brunch board is ready. It's not just about the food, it's about creating a memorable experience. Enjoy your brunch.